This is the kind of wrapping paper that saves you from looking like you grabbed something last minute. This is reversible wrapping paper. It is so bright, it is cheerful, and it feels thick enough that it's not gonna rip when you try to wrap. I can't stand that. The 2 looks in one roll with the balloons and the confetti on one side and the stripes on the other is so convenient. Thicker paper, and it's going to hold up better around edges, and tape pulls. Mini roll size, so it's easier to handle and store than those gigantic awkward tubes. So it's 17 inches by 33 feet, gives you plenty for multiple small or medium gifts. I love the reversible design, makes every present look a little different. Good for birthdays, baby showers, and party gifts when you want color, but you don't want to be cheesy. This arrives shrink wrapped, so it stays clean and unscuffed until you need it. Highly recommend this reversible wrapping paper.